Hello, I'm Tim Murray, CEO of Aware Senior Care. Today's Tuesday tip addresses the coronavirus disease, or what is being referred to as COVID-19. The tip is, break the chain. One person can make a difference. This illustration was posted on Facebook this morning and it really resonated with us. Step back, stay home, and slow the spread. Makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? To do that, the first thing to do is to seek education about COVID-19. And like anything in life, the more facts you know about something, the better you can deal with it. Today's Tuesday tip on breaking the chain comes from the helpful guidelines provided by the Center of Disease Control, or CDC, on measures you can take to protect yourself and others from the coronavirus disease. This information is available to you by visiting the CDC website at www.cdc.gov/coronavirus/2019 NC-CoV prepare. First, know how it spreads. There is currently no vaccine to prevent coronavirus disease 2019. The best way to prevent the illness is to avoid being exposed to the virus. The virus is thought to spread mainly from person to person, between people who are in close contact with one another, within about 6 feet, or through respiratory droplets produced when an infected person coughs or sneezes. These droplets can land in the mouths or noses of people who are nearby or possibly be inhaled into the lungs. Take steps to protect yourself. Clean your hands often. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after you've been in a public place or after blowing your nose or coughing or sneezing. If soap and water are not readily available, use a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Cover all the surfaces of your hands and rub them together until they feel dry. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Next, avoid close contact. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Put distance between yourself and the other people if coronavirus is spreading in your community. This is especially important for people who are at higher risk of getting very sick. Take steps to protect others. Stay at home if you're sick. Stay at home if you are sick except to get medical care. Learn what to do if you are sick. Cover coughs and sneezes. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you cough or sneeze, or use the inside of your elbow. Importantly, throw used tissues in the trash and immediately wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water are not readily available, clean your hands with a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. And wear a face mask if you are sick. If you're sick, you should wear a face mask when you're around other people, for example, sharing a room or a vehicle, and before you enter a healthcare provider's office. If you are not able to wear a face mask, for example, because it causes trouble breathing, then you should do your best to cover your coughs and sneezes, and people who are caring for you should wear a face mask if they enter your room. Learn what to do if you are sick. If you're not sick, you do not need to wear a face mask unless you are caring for someone who is sick, and they are not able to wear a face mask. Face masks may be in short supply, and they should be saved for caregivers. And finally, clean and disinfect. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces daily. This includes tables, doorknobs, light switches, countertops, handles, desks, phones, keyboards, toilets, faucets, and sinks. If surfaces are dirty, clean them. Use detergent or soap and water prior to disinfection. This is great information from the CDC, and we encourage you to visit, read, and look at the helpful illustrations. If you don't have access to the internet and you have questions, concerns, or you show signs of the coronavirus, the state of North Carolina has established a phone helpline you can call at 866-462-3821. This is a serious time, and the best way to combat it is to get educated and work together as a team. Know that in our community we have wonderful people and resources to help everyone through this difficult time. Follow the guidelines from our experts and leaders, and don't be afraid to ask for help. From all of us at Aware, thank you for making a difference in people's lives.